Most people speak, but very few truly listen. To master English, you must first master the art of hearing the world around you. Today, we will practice shadowing with a focus on connection and understanding. Let's begin. Part 1. The problem. We live in a loud world. Everyone is waiting for their turn to talk. We focus on our next sentence instead of the other person's words. This is not communication, this is just noise. Part 2. What is active listening? Active listening is a superpower. It means listening with your ears, your eyes, and your heart. When you listen deeply, you notice the tone of voice. You see the expression on a face. You understand the why behind the what. Part 3. How to practice. There are 3 simple steps to better listening. First, be silent. Give the speaker your full attention. Second, do not judge. Accept their words as they are. Third, ask questions. Show that you are curious. Part 4. The reward. When you become a great listener, your world changes. Your relationships grow stronger. Your English becomes more natural. People will feel respected by you. And in return, they will listen when you speak. Conclusion. The art of listening is the art of being present. Practice this today, not just with this video, but with every person you meet. If you're finding your flow with today's session, subscribe to the Story Shadow and join our community of English learners.